How to enable or disable touch and hold to edit on the lock screen in AOD on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus to the S25 Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on lock screen in AOD. After that, tap on touch and hold to edit. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. When this is turned on the lock screen or on the home screen, we can touch and hold like that. And then we just enter in the password that will take us to the edit screen. And that's it. So that is how you can turn that feature off. If you don't want to use the touch and edit, you can simply switch it off like that. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.